Rahul Gandhi and this Bharat Jyoti Yatra, they have crossed several barriers, transcended several barriers, and they have now communicated with the heart and soul of India. And Vajpayee, Advani, Vishnu Dalmia, and others, they came to Tamil Nadu, and then they started some Hindu right-wing outfits, and they are trying to take a place here, but at the same time the Dravidian parties are ruling here.
चीफ ऑफ आर्मी स्टाफ का हेलीकॉप्टर क्रैश हुआ था, जो एम्बुलेंस सबसे पहले गया था, वो आप ही के ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का
Yes,
था?
yes, when our commander of chief of the forces, General Bipin Rawat, he met an accident in the Nilgiris. It was our ambulance, Tamil Nadu Muslim Unita Kalagam's ambulance.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम रहमतुल्लाह, मैं हूं शम्स सबरस कासमी और आप देख रहे हैं मिलर टाइम्स। इस वक्त हम तमिलनाडु की राजधानी चेन्नई में मौजूद है और यहाँ ऑल इंडिया मिल्ली काउंसिल का सालाना इजलास चल रहा है। इस इजलास में हमारे साथ मौजूद हैं यहाँ के मारूफ सियासी रहनुमा प्रोफेसर डॉक्टर जवाहिरुल्लाह साहब। आप यहाँ एमएलए भी हैं और मारूफ सियासी रहनुमा माने जाते हैं। डॉक्टर जवाहिरुल्लाह साहब, मिलर टाइम्स में खुश आमदीद। हम आपसे जानना चाहेंगे कि सबसे पहले यही कि आजकल के जो सियासी हालात हैं तमिलनाडु में या पूरे हिंदुस्तान भर में, उस पर आप क्या कहेंगे?
Tamil Nadu, is showing to the entire India of how a secular, socialistic and democratic country should be ruled. We have the DMK government over here, led by Thalapathy Mr. M.K. Stalin, and we are a part of the coalition, and we won the assembly elections in 2021. The DMK rule, we call it as Dravidian rule. Dravidian rule means, if you want to put me in Hindi, this is what Mr. Narendra Modi said in 2014 and had forgotten it for more than 8 years. Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas. Actually, this Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas is only the Dravidian model, because here this DMK rule encompasses all sections of the society, backward class, most backward class, scheduled caste, scheduled tribes, as well as Muslims. And Tamil Nadu is a haven of peace. So this is not there in many of the BJP ruled states in North India.
भैया, आप अपनी पार्टी के सदर भी हैं, आपकी पार्टी का नाम है माननीय मक्कल कटाची।
मानिदे नहीं है मक्कल
कटाची, और आप इसके अकेले एमएलए भी हैं। तो आपकी जो पार्टी है, सिर्फ एक एमएलए आपके पास क्यों, और क्यों एमएलए आपके नहीं?
No, we have 2 MLAs in the Tamil Nadu Assembly.
Oh, good.
So I am representing Pabanasam constituency, which is in Tanjavur. We call Kaveri Delta. I hail from a constituency, Pabanasam in the Tanjavur district, and my colleague is Abdul Samad. He is the general secretary of our party, and he is representing Manaparai constituency, which is in Tiruchirappalli district.
I would like to say something about your party, when your party established, and what is, explain something about party.
Actually, our party was established in 2009, but before that, right from 1995, that is almost 28 years back, we have a social advocacy organization called Tamil Nadu Muslim Unita Kalagam, TMMK for short, and we have been rendering service to the people. We fight for human rights, and at the same time we have around 183 ambulances throughout Tamil Nadu, which cater to the needs of all sections of the society, irrespective of their caste or religious affiliation. When some calamity affects Tamil Nadu, our volunteers are in the forefront. Whether it was the tsunami which struck the eastern coast of Tamil Nadu in 2004, or the great floods in Chennai in 2015, or the latest Corona. During Corona, our cadres have buried, performed lost rites, for around 5,000 persons who lost their life to corona, irrespective of their religious affiliations.
एज आई नो, मुझे याद आ रहा है कि जब चीफ ऑफ आर्मी स्टाफ का हेलीकॉप्टर क्रैश हुआ था, जो एम्बुलेंस सबसे पहले गया था वो आप ही के ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का
Yes,
था?
yes. When our commander of chief of the forces, General Bipin Rawat, he met an accident in the Nilgiris. It was our ambulance, Tamil Nadu Muslim Unita Kalagam's ambulance, which reached the spot and which carried the body.
बिल्कुल, सोशल मीडिया के जरिए खबर आई थी, मैंने उसको चेक भी किया था और मिलर टाइम्स पर स्टोरी भी मैंने की थी उस पर। एक आखिरी सवाल आपसे करेंगे कि नॉर्थ इंडिया के जो हालात हैं उसमें और तमिलनाडु में जो कुछ मुसलमानों को लेकर के हालात हैं, कितना फ़र्क है आपके हिसाब से?
You mean to say what is the difference?
What is the difference between the situation of North Indian Muslims and Tamil Muslims or South Indian Muslims?
As far as South Indian Muslims are concerned, if you take the South Indian states of Tamil Nadu, Kerala or Pondicherry and even Karnataka, we are educationally forward because there were many educational institutions. Not that North India is not established. We have the great Aligarh Muslim University as well as the Jamia Millia Islamia and other things. But here, you know, when you look in the general perspective, the literacy rate in Kerala is high, similarly in Tamil Nadu. So the gross enrollment ratio, that is high in Tamil Nadu. So that has a reflection on the minority communities also. So that is a very big lacuna for our North Indian brothers. That is number one. Number two is that the mutual understanding between the Muslim community and non-Muslim community. It is good in Kerala, in Tamil Nadu, etc. But we can't find such a type of camaraderie between Hindus and Muslims, especially in Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, etc. etc.
So इधर के हालात कम्युनल नहीं होंगे जिस तरह उत्तर प्रदेश, बिहार और या कर्नाटक के भी हालात कम्युनल हो
I
चुके हैं?
can't say that 100% it's not communal. Here also forces are trying. You know, in 1981, Dalit people embraced Islam. Before that, RSS was very dormant. But scheduled caste people embracing Islam is not new to Tamil Nadu. It has been going on for centuries. And even before that Meenachipuram conversion, people belonging to several districts, they embraced Islam. But this hit the headlines, and Vajpayee, Advani, Vishnu Dalmia and others, they came to Tamil Nadu, and then, you know, they started some Hindu right-wing outfits, and they are trying to take a place here. But at the same time, the Dravidian parties are ruling here. The ideology of Periyar, Anna, Kalaignar, Kamarajar, this has a strong root here.
Yeah.
So we are keeping the right-wing forces at bay.
What will be in 2014 general election? Who will be Prime Minister?
The Bharat Jod Yatra of the Congress leader Rahul Gandhi, it has created tremors all across the country. I was fortunate enough to walk along with Shri Rahul Gandhi when he started the Yatra at Kanyakumari for some points. What is coming out in the media, that is only a fraction. Rahul Gandhi and this Bharat Jod Yatra, they have crossed several barriers, transcended several barriers, and they have now communicated with the heart and soul of India. So this momentum should be continued, and there should be, the only objective should be to uproot, to remove from power a party which does not believe in the Constitution of India, a party which, if it gets a very big majority, the first thing they will do is to put into the dustbin the Constitution of India or amend it in such a manner that it will aid and help them to have an Hindu Rashtra. So if India wants to remain as a secular, democratic, socialistic republic, all the parties who believe in this constitution, cutting across their personal animosity, should come in one frame. They should form a single coalition, and definitely in 2024, if this happens, India will continue to remain the India which Gandhiji and other leaders of our freedom movement earned for and wanted to see it.
थैंक यू। तो आप थे डॉक्टर जवाहिरुल्लाह साहब, जो यहाँ के एमएलए हैं, इनकी अपनी पार्टी है और इनकी पार्टी से 2 एमएलए हैं जो विधानसभा में नुमाइंदगी करते हैं। इससे पहले ये यूनिवर्सिटी में प्रोफेसर थे और पूरे तमिलनाडु की सियासत पर, पूरे हिंदुस्तान पर गहरी नज़र है। आपको कैसा लगा हमारा इंटरव्यू, कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर लिखिएगा। फिर मुलाकात होगी। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।